Listen, I feel like my hair is curly. I feel like these are curls. Can you actually see it? Yeah. Good God. And one more thing. That's some light in the back. Hi, Mal Pals and New Pals. Today is 5 Minute Friday. It is where I talk about 5 things for 5 minutes. And today I wanted to feature 5 products for curly hair that help me maintain my curls and actually, well, I don't know what she's doing. That's the best part about curly hair, girl. I wanted to feature 5 products today that actually help me want to wear my hair curly and appreciate my natural curls. Please, I can literally hear the marching of the curly girls coming for me. These are not like curly, what is it that, I don't even remember. But remember when I did that video about my curly hair and oof, they came for me. I don't know. These are just products that I like that help me achieve this. So when I wear my hair curly like this, I like to do my makeup, get dressed, let my hair air dry as much as possible, and then help it out with a diffuser. I have a Dyson blow dryer that I love the diffuser on. It's great. It helps the situation. The product that I like to use as a leave-in is the Bumble and Bumble Don't Blow It Fine Hair Styler. This is a leave-in for when you do not dry your hair. So when I need a little boost with my diffuser, I will apply the Bumble and Bumble primer as my heat protectant. But this is incredible. It makes your hair soft. If you have fine curly hair or fine hair in general, you don't have to have curly. This is not like a curly hair product. I just find that it enhances my curls naturally and it allows me to let my hair air dry. My favorite deep conditioner for when I know I'm gonna wear my hair curly the next day or the day of is the Virtue Alpha Keratin Restorative Treatment Mask. I have this in my shower. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. My hairstylist Chris really is the one who introduced me to this brand, brought life back into my hair. It has allowed my natural wave and curl. I know some people say my hair is not curly. Listen, I feel like my hair is curly. I feel like these are curls. Whatever, come for me. I'm calling my hair curly. I don't feel like it just weighs it down. I feel like it actually like penetrates the hair and really restores and refreshes the moisture without weighing down my hair. Next is a spray product that I like to use even when I don't diffuse my hair, or when I do. I also like to spritz it when I wear it curly like this throughout the day. The Bumble and Bumble Surf Spray. This is in the scent Malibu Beach. I don't remember if this is limited edition or not, but I have the regular one. I have the surf spray infusion with the oil as well. I've also tried their curl spray oil. This overall, as far as I wanted to pick one spray in product, this is my go-to. This is my favorite. I love the smell of it. It smells like the beach, and it really does give your hair kind of like grip and texture. It mattifies your hair a little bit, but not as much like to where it looks frizzy. It just gives it some nice like texture. If I'm going to, and I know in my mind that I'm going to diffuse my hair and wear it up or half up, I love for a styling product with heat. I love the Bumble and Bumble Surf Foam Spray Blow Dry. By the way, this is not sponsored by Bumble and Bumble. If you have been subscribed to me for a long time, you know that I genuinely love their hair products. I genuinely love hair products overall, but I love Bumble and Bumble because they are no nonsense, and when they put out a product and it says it does something, 99.9% of the time it does that exact thing. This gives me, I have finer, thinner hair, especially since a lot of it fell out. This gives me nice bodies. I love this for half updos and updos. It really does give you that like salt spray look without the necessarily like grit and matte like this does. I love focusing this where I want the most volume. You can put it all over, but I like to generally, if I'm gonna use this, I will do it from here back and then in the back of my hair where I have less hair, so I can have a little more volume back there to work with bobby pins. So this is incredible as a heat styling product for curly hair. Last but not least is a hair oil. Oils to me are very important if you have curly or wavy hair. I talked about this on my Insta stories. The brand Bread. I'm trying out their mask and their curl wash, so I will keep you guys updated on what I think about that. But this is Bread's hair oil, everyday gloss for curl types 3A to 4C. It looks like my hair is probably a 2C or a 3A. I don't know. Love this. A little goes a long way, especially if you have fine hair. It really does stay glossy in the hair. Also, look at this packaging. Okay, look at this packaging. I will put a little bit in the palm of my hand, like that, just enough to gloss. And I literally just go like this. And you know what it smells like? It's very nostalgic for me. It smells like Bonnie Bell chapstick. And I used to collect that in elementary school. That was like the thing to do, to collect chapsticks in elementary school. I don't know why, but it smells like chapstick in the best way. So those are my top 5 products for when I wear my hair curly. Let me know what you love, and please just be nice. Dear God, the curly hair community is freaking terrifying. But leave us some tips and tricks below. Don't forget you can follow me on all social media at I'm Mallory Brooke, and I will leave a playlist of 5 Minute Friday below. Rock your curls, whatever type, whichever frizz you have, it doesn't matter. Your hair is beautiful, you are beautiful, and I love you. Goodbye.
All right.